Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a very long time, but today I wanted to come back onto YouTube and do something fun and kind of an escape from the world right now. So I'm going to be showing you swatches and a fast tutorial using the new Pat McGrath Divine Rose palette, the Mothership #7, I believe. And when I saw it, I thought, oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. I have to have it. So I will show you some quick clips of the packaging, which of course is divine, absolutely gorgeous, and all these different rosy tones going on. And I will be doing finger swatches of each of the eyeshadows. So starting from the top row, going left to right, we have Skin Show Nude, then we have Veloria, Sable Bronze, Refined Gold 002, and Iridescent Pink 003. On the bottom row, going left to right, we have Extreme Mahogany, Lovelace, Rose Dusk, VR Rose Venus, and lastly Astral Solstice. So beautiful. And then, like I've done before, I like to show the iridescent shades over a black base because it usually changes the color into something different. So I'm going to be using the NYX Jumbo pencil in black. And to the left we have VR Rose Venus, and to the right we have Iridescent Pink. And as you can see, it changes VR Rose Venus to almost a greeny gold color, and it changes the Iridescent Pink to a more vibrant hot pink color. So again, super awesome. Pat McGrath is just magnificent when it comes to the eyeshadow formulas. And let's go ahead and get into the tutorial. So I'm going to be starting off this look with some Scotch tape, and I'm placing that on the back of my hand to eliminate some of the stickiness. And then I'm angling it up at the edge of my eye to create that sort of cat eye shape. And the first shade that I'll be going in with is Veloria, using a fluffy crease brush, and I'm focusing that on the outer corner of the eye and sweeping it into where my eye folds and just diffusing that color, and that is going to be our first transition shade. Then I'm taking a smaller, more precise brush and focusing that color on the outermost part of the crease, and I'm using the shade Extreme Mahogany. Next, I'm going in with the NYX Jumbo Black Pencil, and I'm just spreading that generously all over the eyelid. And I'm going to be taking a dense, flat synthetic brush and just spreading that over evenly all over the lid, just where I want to place the color that I'm going to be placing on top of that. So I'm keeping that underneath the fold of my eye. So then I'm going to be going in with Iridescent Pink 003, and you can spritz your brush with Fix Plus or any sort of setting spray just to make the pigment come out a little bit deeper. And as you can see, when you place it over the black base, it's creating that hot pink iridescent shade. And I'm just building up that color so I can achieve the pigment that I want. And the next step, I wanted to make this a little bit more smoky, so you can just take any matte black eyeshadow and just focus it on that outer corner where the corner of your eye meets the corner of the tape. And then when you remove it, you'll have a fresh, clean line as if you're wearing eyeliner. And for the lower lash line, I'm going in with Extreme Mahogany again with a flat definer brush. And I'm taking a clean flat definer brush and going in with VR Rose Venus and sort of mixing that with Iridescent Pink just to kind of give that gold and pink color. And for the inner tear duct, I'm using Astral Solstice just to give some sparkle. And for the eyebrow bone, I'm going in with Skin Show Nude. And that completes the look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this look and were able to escape from everything going on in the world right now. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please give it a thumbs up and leave some comments if you want to see anything else from me. Thanks for watching. Bye.